recovered Carbon Black Europe. It's the coffee break again, and I'm here with Frank from NEUMAN ESSER, and I'm here with Clayton from Mars Mineral. And you might know that the two companies work together because NEUMAN ESSER has a turnkey solution for rCB processing, including the Mars Mineral pelletizer. How are you guys, Frank?
Hello, Martin. I'm fine. How are you?
Doing well. Thanks for asking.
How do you like the conference so far? And how do you like the coffee breaks, business buzzing?
It's very informative. As we've been coming to this conference now for 10 years, I believe. I started with the Carbon Black conference and then segued to the recovered Carbon Black. But the industry is slowly but surely making progress. I think we all understand that the funding is a big issue. The ASTM efforts are really coming forward. So I believe that's going to help the industry. So it's making progress. It's a slow, steady increase.
It's like Clayton said or what Robert Harper said, yeah, don't expect a big jump. It's a slow, steady increase. And let's say, we believe in the industry. I'm doing this now for 13 years.
Yes.
My first carbon black test. And today, you have to be patient. It's growing slowly, but it's growing, and it's great to have everybody here. So Martin, nice job.
Frank, when do we do the next film like Asbury Carbons?
But it's up to my colleagues in the next couple of weeks. In my planning, it's 2026. But I'm quite sure it will happen.
Will be fun. Thank you very much. Have a very good conference.
Thanks, you too.